Well, I always like to start with the crowd cheer. I'm Andrew Larder. The website for this is called Self Help for You. So it's the word self and then help and then the number 4 and then the letter U.com. So selfhelpforyou.com. And none of that matters. This is all about a product called 2026 Marketing in a Box. Well, that sounds dumb. So I'm gonna skip past giving you all the rah about it. I'm gonna go right to the end. I like to start at the finish. It's $47, and you're gonna be blown away by the monstrous amount of stuff that's included in this. So let me get into it. This just came out. It's the number 2 seller right now today, and it is marketing in a box tools divided into these different categories. And you're going to understand this is everything for your business that you're going to ever need. So here is, first off, planning your business and schedule tools. Yeah, it's like a big calendar. Okay, product creation, planning, and templates. Oh, that's everything about making stuff for you to sell. Well, how are you going to sell it? How are you going to sell that stuff? Next one's traffic and promotion, planning, and templates. Oh, traffic to my offer. That might help. I don't know. What are you going to, maybe it'd help to have people to see it. How about nurturing your audience, planning and templates? That's email marketing and everything like that. And then they have another one called content and social media planning and templates. And that all sounds like a bunch of, I don't know, calendars. Sounds dumb, right? How can that be $47? And then you're going to look inside and see how absolutely crazy packed all that is. That's the 5 broad categories. And the part that's going to kick into that extra part is not only they're going to do a live session on January 5th, that's coming up in about a week, to help people create their plans and use the materials, get everything going. And there's also, you'll be able to have a group and get continuous help throughout the year. So let's go into each of these, just give you a little bit of an idea. So here they go. Here's just what each one of these is like individual ones from the planning your business and schedule, the first category. So there's a 2026 side hustle planner. There's a developing entrepreneurial discipline workbook. There's 3 simple things to do every day online business planner. There's an Etsy business planner. There's a handmade business planner. You're starting to get the idea. This is the first category. I'm going to keep going because that's not it. Small business planner, money mindset journal and planner, New Year marketing and promotion planning. So again, this is all from the first part. There's more. Goal setting guide and templates, habit tracking planning sheets. There we go. And then here, product creation tools. So we're on to the second category. You're getting the idea. There's like tons of stuff in here. Create a fast and simple course workbook. You can make money from that. Create and sell digital products, crash course with templates. That can make you money. Workbook, course templates, 60 workbook and planner style layouts to create a high value workbook or course. Oh, you can make your own course. Product mock-ups, book cover templates, course template package. All of this is to put together your own business. Brochure catalog ebook template, leveraging subscription payments guide and templates. Create online challenges guide and templates, ebook guide and templates, creating low content products, brainstorming templates, various printable templates, thought-provoking presentations guide. It continues on. I'm going to put the link for you in the description of the podcast. You get the idea. Those are just the first 2 of the 5 categories. The whole thing is $47. Any one of those product creation things could be a $47 product all by itself. So click the link, go check this out. It goes into great detail, tons of different categories. You're going to absolutely love this, and you're going to love going one-on-one and having help all the way through the year. The whole thing is $47. The link is in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at selfhelpforyou.com. You go right to it, click, grab the, I think you got to copy and paste. Let me go to the bottom of it and see. Yeah, you got to copy and paste. You'll see my video with me nattering on at the bottom of that, but you'll also see the link. Copy and paste it. Boom. You can grab the 2026 Marketing in a Box for $47 right here, right now. Go check it out. You're going to be gobsmacked. I promise you that. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from selfhelpforyou.com. Enjoy.